LED therapy to help our skin on a deeper level. This is a RF NEMS beauty instrument. This little tool, it's a 5-in-1 microcurrent facial tool. It has LED lights. Let me turn it on. You could see that there's red light, which is good for blood circulation, collagen production. Green light is good for sun damage, so kind of evening out the skin tone. Blue is good for acneic skin. And then the orange and the pink is good for brightening, but also absorbing the products into the skin. I mainly use the red for the collagen production, and then the green especially on my cheek area because that's where I have the sun damage. You do need to use a hydrating or a water-based serum to for it to work. I use it with hyaluronic acid. With the hyaluronic acid that I make, I use it to glide over because you need something to glide and conducts it, and it helps with penetrating the product deeper into the skin.